CJC 32. And page 16. Can you describe what we see in that picture?
In the picture, is the day the Deputy National Commission was appearing in the actual committee with the same gentleman, owner of the car, acting like his close protector in the highest offices. That's correct, Commissioner.
So, Scannick Stuart James has a total of 34 cases against him. 34. And out of those 34 cases, he was found guilty on 18 of them. 11 were withdrawn, and 5 he was found not guilty. 18 guilty verdicts. This is not someone who got caught in the system. This is a career criminal. But wait, it gets worse. Much worse. Kumalo then goes through the details of these cases, and I want you to pay attention to the pattern. It starts with Brighton Beach, found guilty of carjacking. Then Chatsworth, same year in January, also carjacking. These are happening in KZN, month after month. Then you have Durban Central, guilty of theft of a motor vehicle. Then Durban North, another theft of a motor vehicle. Then another case in Durban North, same year, 2 months apart. Another theft of a motor vehicle. Are you seeing the pattern? This guy was stealing in cars almost every single month during 2010 and 2011. Hillcrest, another carjacking. Howick, theft of a motor vehicle. Malvern, car hijacked. Marine Hill, carjacking found guilty. Newlands East, carjacking. Pinetown, carjacking found guilty. It just goes on and on and on. And then there's Richards Bay with assault charges, malicious damage to property, all kinds of violent offences mixed in with the car thefts and hijackings. Townhill, another theft. The list is absolutely staggering. And as Kumalo points out,
Happy
there are
New Year,
serious questions
everyone.
here. If you commit so many thefts and hijackings
But
within the space of 2
Happy
years,
New Year, everyone.
and you're
I hope
found guilty
everyone.
on 18 of them, how many years did you serve?
Sorry, guys.
When did you serve your sentence?
Had a great time.
Because everything is happening in such a short space of time that it doesn't make sense unless the system itself is compromised. So this is the man who owns the
Resolution
vehicle that Sibiya This is the man who was acting as Sibiya's protector. A career criminal with 18 guilty verdicts for carjacking, theft, assault, property damage. And just when you think this can't get any more outrageous, Kumalo drops another bombshell. That same gentleman, Scannick Stuart James, a career criminal with 18 guilty verdicts, was acting as Sibiya's close protector inside Parliament. Not just anywhere, but in the highest office during the ad hoc committee hearings, where Sibiya was appearing. For 2 days, he was convicted criminal walking around Parliament, acting as security for a deputy national commissioner of police. Let me say that again slowly. Was acting as a bodyguard for one of the most senior police officers in South Africa, and he had access to Parliament, to the halls where laws are made, where oversight is supposed to happen. The brazenness is breathtaking. Now let's step back and look at the full picture, because when you put all these pieces together, the story that is truly disturbing. You have that yes, there are some individuals involved in
I pray that one day
He's allegedly receiving financial benefits from the underworld to fund his
What is that?
He's allegedly some of whom are now whistleblowing.
Happy New Year.
The contradictions are staggering. How can you sit there and say that Parliament isn't systemic?
Yeah.
That's
when you said to
How can you say we're not a mafia state
Tell
when you convicted carjackers walking you into Parliament and opening doors for you like you're some kind of mob? No matter how powerful you are, no matter how unpopular you think you are, eventually the truth catches up. Maybe not immediately, maybe not quickly enough, but eventually. And when it does, all the lies, all the denials, all the confident assertions that everything is fine, they all ring hollow. The connection, the pattern is undeniable. Hiding from the his alleged actions, I hope he's thinking about all the South Africans who suffered because of the corruption he allegedly made.
Oh, now 100 rand.
Because the police were
Smangaletha.
the honest cops whose work was undermined by colleagues on the tape. The communities that never got the protection they deserved because resources were diverted to serve criminal networks. The country that
From Nigeria. Happy New Year.
because institutions that should be protecting us have been captured by the very people they fight. This is the reality.
Happy New Year from Malawi.
Not a mafia state
You
according
look
to
like
Sibia, but something arguably worse.
Okay.
A state where the mafia doesn't need to fight for control because they're already inside, already part of the system, already running things. And until we face that reality, until we demand real accountability, until we insist on consequences for people at every level who betray the public trust, nothing will change. The capture will continue. The corruption will deepen. South Africa will slide into a kind of failed state that becomes a cautionary tale for other nations. That's where we are. That's what the Sibia case represents. And that's why every South African needs to pay attention to what comes next. Because what happens to him, whether he faces justice or walks away untouched, will tell us everything we need to know about whether this country still has a chance.
Uyahleka naye. Shame. Sikananda kunjani? Kodwa lokudla kuyavuthwa ke Rose. Ekseni kuze kuyoshaya u7 phela manje kusaphe umuntu kodwa. Hayi ngiyamkholwa ngeke. Hey boy, isikhathi ama strong noma se-TV strong? Oh, bese ngisho table. Ngeke malume ashintsha ngempela manje indaba kudlala indaba esingazazi. Kubukani ku Netflix? I-Blacklist yo leya series namanje ngisabuka angazi next episode ba manje.
Blacklist.
Yazi Blacklist? Angazi ngiku episode ba imnandi.
Bengibuka iBeauty in Black.
Angibuka ngani.
Series ejayo ibuki ukuthe.
Angaze ngiyebuke ukuthi naye iBlacklist ayipheli. Mhlawumbe manje ngiku season 2 episode 8 mhlawumbe. I-episode yodwa isizini yodwa mhlawumbe ama episode awu 40 something.
Yo.
Aba
Ayifane redemption.
ibo yinde. Mina ave mnandi Blacklist bang mnandi.
Isingelele i-Stranger Things.
Thank you. Guys, ansazi nokuthi benziwa kanjani lana asendlesi.
Ngiyayibuka Stranger Things.
Asikazi sibuke i-series nayo.
I-series ingene a new series. Uthi yini engifaka la?
Athi sibo.
Uthandani?
He designed.
Umuhle yazi bathi ba. Usho kanje sibo. Mina ukuthi ngithanda ama action. Sengifakile njalo. Hayi the Woman King. Black and Blue. Kuyazivele sisho lapha ukuthi film The Mother. Angiyazi The Mother. Ibukeka imnandi kodwa. Ake sibezwe bathini The Mother. Ngisho The Mother ngaphendula ngiyowasha ngisho. Hamba washa izinto ayikho, hamba washa.
Hayi khona beyibuka ke.
Khona bebo. Uphu info la kade. Ubona ngoba iqala eqaleni.
Ayiqaleni.
Kodwa ayibuka mhlawumbe bethu uyangena emborini. Kwenziwa njani la?
Iqaleni ngiyayibona.
Awu bisiphela bo. Sintentana mzungazo qoma into enje. Kusona ngakumanje mba.
Ando.
Yibo, yabo yakho.
Hotel drink. Drink.
Hi.
It's not drink. Those who yegi. It's also whiskey.
Kodwa nakuphuvala ngempela akaze biniphuvala ngimbona ayibo malume mina ngiphuza ithotse.
Oh, usakuphuza nami.
Cha, angakaphuza utshwala.
But
no baba wethu uhlezi kumina kahle ukuthi
hayi umbali kuphuza nayo wine
Angifuna.
nothing.
hayi cha
Hayi kuphuza nayo wine ungalokho phika.
ngayalo ukuthi ngathi commission class le udesprofessor
Yeah, I class.
one class kaphuza ijuice ngayo usiyathi ngifuthi
Hayi. Ngene ngiyazi njani uzaloba wena.
Useyaphi? Hayibo nangesephika ingane yakhe.
Nayiphi?
kathele ijuice wathi sengompi
Yathelelwa yimini wine guys.
Isiyaphika manje.
Nginabo nokufakazi
Ukuthi wena.
ukuthi mina engamthelela.
hayi ngone fanele umazi umbuze kahle
Nontanda ufakazi walokho.
Ah.
Because naye wathelelwa wathi
Yena.
Angistresse mina lengane. Manje ayibo
all right.
bala. Ngicela ubale ngempela yasiqala phansi 1 2 3 kanje 1 sovusa nga1 esikisi 1 bala kanye nampela isho kanye nami mangisho 1 uzosho mba wami 1 2 3 4 5 6 usho kanje 6 7 8 9 vula iminwe le vula le engivale lo kanje vala la wodwa vula yonke le minwe ivule yonke le minwe vula yonke 9 10 ngaphansi sebala ke 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ngaphansi ke 1 2 3 4 5 6 now 6 6 7, 8, 9, 10. Balage wait a minute.
Yes, how are you?
110.
Where are you?
Suvela ngoba ukhuluma into kade ngikubalisa kanjalo mina. Bala njengoba kade ngikubalisa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Bala. Yeah. Yeah. 3. Yeah. Yeah. 5. Yeah.
2.
Kanjani uphinda kanjani 2?
1.
Yeah. Yeah.
9. Okay. 1. 4. And then just 1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
Yeah. Ngithengela amabhamba ngoba manje awufuna ukubala. Ngiyakutshela ngithi balwa kanjani wena awufuna ukubala. Uyakutshela unkanyeza ngithi wena awufuna ukusho.
1.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
3.
3. Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Qa phansi ubale wedwa.
1. 2. 3.
4.
4.
Qa phansi.
1. 2. 1. Okay. 1. 1.
Hayi uvela thithele.
Ngangithengela abantwana.
Ngeke ngithengele mina.
Uza ngibaleka. 1.
Mamenze.
Consider ngangithengela. 1. 2. 4. 9.
7 manje kudliwa manje. Kudliwa manje hayibo 7 manje.
9.
Saphi kudliwa manje. Hayibo. Tshela lemkhumbe ihlangana naye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10.
Sungihlazile 1 2 3 5 9. Uwine kanjani unkanyezi kade esho wena usho?
1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 10, 10.
Uma 10 10 10. Hayi wena. Hayi. Ngabe ukuthenga amapapa ungakazi ukubala? Ufuna ukubala ufike ku10.
Okay, 10.
Bala wena uthi 1 ugcine 10.
1, 2, 3.
Lalela la unkanyezi uthi uthini yeso. Musu kuthi indlebe ngithi lalela kuwena lalela la endlebeni yakho wena lalela. Vula la amadlebe akho wavula. Ulalela unkanyezi ukuthi uthini.
Okay.
Ngilalele unkanyezi.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sala ngibala.
10.
Kufanele ngikubuye kanje ngoba manje usho into engekho.
Okay, 1, 2, 4, 9. Hanggang sa ngayon, ano pa?
Finish it. It's black. Cotton on. Either cotton on or cotton on. I am a shortcut on 17. Savings and my shortcut. Has you should have a general team go with the wind and feeling of February John 2. First week. And go as good. Excuse. Actually, yes, I'm getting a bit pasta and I'm getting to fish, egg, and a salad. Or a salad and I'm a fillet, chicken fillet. Ang sa pegu dong the stash manj. I-rice nephuthu angisakupheki. Ngizothenga 5 kg ozongilast 6 months.
Yeah.
Just ukuhlamba ngikhalela amasi ngithola uphuthu noma mangabe ngifuna ukupheka ipapa just ihlambe for ama visitor or mhlambe mangifuna ukwenza mhlambe ubiryani i-rice ibe khona noma mhlambe mangifuna ukwenzani nje kodwa kuzongilasta 6 months 5 kg bonke lapha. We rice nempuphu. So mangifuna istash ngipheka ilo ngipheka imesh or ngipheke isweet corn or ngipheka ama veggie nenyama kuphela.
Yes, good.
Sengizodla kanjalo. Buka. Ngoba niyabona ke banami.
Yes, good.
So it's kanjalo.
Hayi ngiyakuthemba.
Ngitshela ngicela ukuzwa.
Uzobe edla yona too much. Afike endlini adle kancane.
Ayibo. Ni fast food. Malume fast food nayo ngifuna ukuyikhatha.
Hayibo malume wakho lawo bukhulu wakho shoot.
Phela sengajwayela ukuthi umalume ngiyazi ukuthi ubhuti isicelo umalume. Kodwa angithaba ubhuti isicelo ngithi ubhuti isicelo umalume so iyaphambana vele. So thiwa kuthola ndlela isitshele singanani malume nangu malume thiwa umalume udlela isitshele singanani.
Mokusho bani?
Usho la. Kupeseni?
Uma ebuza kanjalo phela umuntu usuke ebuza ngoba esuke ubuza ukuthi ubaba wakho uyinkomo eyingane ayifuna.
Yeah.
Umntwana.
Oh. Nakho.
Malume awusazi isiZulu?
Yeah.
Awusazi isiZulu kabe?
Angisazi. Yeah.
Intombazane zingaki intungo zakini igxobo lezi zimbala.
Yeah.
Uphendula kanjalo makubuza leyo nto? Uthi
bala omkhulu. So uthi kahle suke ibuke umabo wayo.
So intombazane esho njalo ethi
meyibuza kanjalo uthi usuza amanye amasiqomile. Ukuthi suke isikwazi ukuthi obaba bakho bangaki? Anti bakho obaba omama bakho bangaki?
Ubese ubuza ukuthi ke zingaki intombi.
Bahlake lezo. Yazi ukuthi abantu abangaki.
Ileto lezi lezi.
IsiZulu siningi naso.
Ayisiningi.
Ayizulu cela lalela ngicela ungadiliti. Yila ngizokhetha ukuthi lezi delete.
Ayibo, awusi serious?
Yebo umile endinje.
Umeleni basi.
Ulaleli futhi.
Wazi usiduza ngafakile.
Ungaphatha
Manje ephela kanjani kuthiwa?
Ngibule yini? Lo lithi umkhowe yini?
Switch akuba etsheni.
Ikuphi vele etsheni?
Ayishela abadwala
Kaze ngize ngitshelwe esibhedlela but ngiyazi. Ngiye ngizwe nje ukuthi we lenhliziyo yami izothima le. Ngiye ngizwe nje ukuthi we lenhliziyo izothima le.
Angazi ukuthi wayibeyilandelise ingane.
Ayibo. Angiyazi.
Sithuleke yabi yayenzani yabi ngasathi.
Yabo nje ukube umuntu ohlukumezekayo ngabe kade kwaphela ngami.
Yes.
Great.
Banana flower. Inhliziyo kabanana.
Ubanana nenhliziyo. Angathi singizo nalokho kudla ngathi kuningi ngiyachaza nje sifanele ngidle kancane istarch angisasiceli.
Yezwa lokho.
Ngicela niphungule lokho kudla ngosami kuningi senifuna ukumosha i-diet yami first day ngiqala nje.
Hayi because ubungakaqali mayiplan manje.
Cha ngeke malume ifanele ngiqale namhlanje kumhla 1 nje i-diet ihambe ngendlela efanele. Ekseni kufanele ngidle breakfast kufanele ngijwayeze ukudla breakfast ngoba ivele inhliziyo ivaleke bafanele ngidle breakfast. So ekseni ngidla breakfast emini ngidla lunch or ama fruits nje. So iyaphungula futhi ngiyadla se right. Athi ma. Athi.
Hey. Uyathuthulwa.
So right. Phungula lokho. Bye guys.